Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to find the height of this cylinder, given that the volume is 400 cubic centimetres and the circumference is 4 pi centimetres. Now we get the volume of this cylinder by multiplying the area of the circle by the height of the cylinder. So the volume equals the area of the circle, which is pi r squared, multiplied by the height of the cylinder, which is h. We know the volume is 400, that's given. So 400 equals pi r squared h. H is what we're trying to find, and r we don't yet know. But hopefully that will come out of the formula for the circumference. Okay, so I'm just going to call this formula number 1, and I'm going to go on to the formula for the circumference. The circumference, C, is given by the diameter times pi. Or another way of writing this is the circumference equals 2 pi r, because the diameter is made up of twice the radius. Now we're told that the circumference equals 4 pi, so 4 pi must equal 2 pi r. And if we divide both sides by 2 pi, we get 2 here, and we get r here. So we found out what the radius is, it's 2. Now if we substitute that back into this formula, we should be able to find out what h is. So let's write that down again. So we've got 400 equals pi r squared. Well, r is 2, so that's 2 squared multiplied by the height. If we now divide both sides by 4, we get 100 here. And over here, we just end up with pi h. And dividing both sides by pi, we get that the height is 100 over pi. And that's the answer. Don't forget your centimetres. And if you want that as a decimal, then the height actually equals 31.83 centimetres. Did you get it?